Hello, I'm James Jimenez from the COMELEC. Nandito po kami sa Philippinask, kung saan sinasagot natin ang mga tanong nyo tungkol sa automated election system. Kasama ko po si
Attorney Karen Jimeno, Head for Voters Education ng Smartmatic. And today we have an interesting question.
How can we ensure that the results of the elections are not pre-programmed?
Sa simula po ng araw ng botohan, nagkakaroon tayo ng tinatawag nating initialization report, Attorney Karen. That's where we print out an election report from the machine before anyone has cast a ballot. No? So kung pre-programmed yung result na yan, dapat lalabas doon sa election return. Pero yung initialization report natin at pinapakita natin to sa watchers ay puro zero ang boto ng bawat isang kandidato nandun. Ito yung katumbas sa automation nung ginagawa ng manual election na at the start of the day, binubuksan yung ballot boxes, tinataktak para makita ng tao, walang laman. So, hindi natin matataktak ito. So, ganun ang ginagawa natin. Meron tayong initialization or zero report.
At ginagawa rin ito in front of the representatives of all the candidates. If you have any more questions about the 2016 elections, use the hashtag Philippinask2016 and send it to us.
Pilipinas, ingatan